tea? Or...
I'm good with just coffee.
I'm just gonna put these up.
Cool. Maybe a small water, large water, extra large water,
Bottle of water.
tap water.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you again?
Hi there. Can I get 2 plain McDoubles?
Okay, anything else for you?
Yeah, and 2 just regular McDoubles.
Okay.
2 junior chickens.
Sure. Anything else for you?
Fries.
No.
1 large fry
Okay.
and large Coke and a large tap water.
A large hot water, you said?
Tap water. So just
Okay. Anything else for you?
and
A large coffee or 2 sugar.
a large coffee with 2 sugar
Okay.
and a large double and 2 apple pies.
I like your style.
Anything else for you?
Nope, that should be everything.
You want salt, pepper, ketchup in the bag?
Ketchup in the bag, salt, pepper.
Sure.
Sure, please.
$39.09.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God, I love McDonald's.
Thank you. You too.
Hi everyone. I'm here with my buddy Eric. You probably recognize him from some of our winter fishing videos. But we just made a quick pit stop at McDonald's here on our way to Watopanah Rivers Lake here in southwest Manitoba. So we're going to be targeting some rock bass and maybe try and catch a limit of walleye while we're out.
Everybody loves a little McDonald's.
Oh yeah. This is what it's all about. Alright, here we are along the rock wall here at Watopanah, and Eric is snagged, but that's the trick of catching the promiscuous rock bass, is if you're not getting snagged and playing in the riprap, you're not catching rock bass. So it's part of the collateral that you gotta pay to play the game.
Right here, where I'm at today, Wahtopanah Lake in Manitoba's western region is likely the best place to get a really big rock bass.
Beauty little rock bass here, we're moving up in size.
Right there, just a little tiny hooked up. That thing is tiny. It's got to be about a what, 3 incher?
Yeah, let's see that. Up close.
large rock bass, frostbite jig.
Well, we didn't have the day we were hoping for. We hooked into a couple of the rock bass, but we didn't catch one over 10 inches, which was kind of the purpose of the trip. So we're gonna have to go back in the near future. So thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna leave you guys a link for my other channel if you guys are interested in the description down below. Until next time, I'm your outdoorsman Al.